What's up, everybody? Been a long time. Let's see if TikTok bans this one. Either way, it'll be on my YouTube. So, I'm right now doing a welding course for my nephew who is homeschooled. So, his mother, God bless her, she looked up online some welding rods because she's trying to buy materials, and this is what she found. I think there's some kind of zinc type of little rods. I don't know, but I can literally break them with my hand. They're really brittle. Pretty sure they came from
China.
And so I fully expect them to weld like they're from
China. You take China. China.
So let's put it in the welder and find out what happens. Ladies and gentlemen, very bright flashes approaching in 3, a 2, a 1. Ow! It burnt my finger. Zinc poisoning. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to say that this is all.
It's China's fault. And you know what? It's not Joe's fault that it came here either. It's China's fault.